this kingdom is the smallest seed planted in the garden. Pero pag itinanim mo to at diniligan mo at lumago, it will flourish into the biggest tree in the garden. Ayusin natin tong issue natin sa pamilya. Sundin natin yung kung ano yung design ni Lord para sa pamilya. For the husbands to really take the lead in the family. Take care of your wife, take care of your children, make decisions. Pansinin nyo, the husband is called to love their wives. Ang hinihingi lang sa wives is to submit to your husband and to respect your husband.